Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So Priya Rathore is here. So students, in this session we will discuss about our holiday homework. Okay? So here I am going to explain you about your holiday homework. You have to follow it. Okay? So this is the first page of your holiday homework, class LKG. Tips of summer break. So students, here are 10 tips you have to follow in a regular basis. Okay. The first one is get up early in the morning. The second, feel the fresh air and do breathing exercises. Third, drink lots of water and other fluids. Nibu pani, coconut water to avoid dehydration. Fourth, help your parents at home by putting your things at place. Fifth, respect your elders and guests. Sixth, always use these golden words like thank you, sorry, excuse me. Sixth one, don't watch TV for long hours. The eighth one, avoid eating junk food. It is harmful for your health. The ninth one, plant a sapling or adopt a tree. Water it regularly with love and affection and keep it safe from animals. Observe the changes in the plant. It will give you a feeling of joy and happiness. Give your bit in conserving the mother nature. And the 10th, the last one, keep some water in an earthen pot on terrace or in your lawn for the birds to quench their thirst. So students, you have to follow these points. Now move to our second page. So this is the second page. To be safe and prevent the spread of COVID-19. So students, you must take care of these points, these 6 points. The first one, clean your hands, often use soap and water or sanitizer. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others. Cover your nose and mouth with your mask. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid unnecessary movement in public places. Download Arogya Setu app and register yourself. So students and parents, I request to all, please take care of these things. These are mandatory for you. Okay? Now the next page, personality development. So I request to parents, please guide your child accordingly. Okay? Include the following life skills in your child to help her become independent. Parents, you can ask your child buttoning his or her shirt, packing his or her school bags, tying his or her shoelaces, keeping his or her belongings back in their places, lying the table for dinner, arrange shoes in the shoe rack, and filling the water bottles. Imbibe social skills in your child. Greeting with a smile when someone comes to the house. Conversing freely with visitors, relatives coming over to the house. Answering the phone calls with a polite like hello and ask them to also, may I know who is calling? The next one, speaking politely and sharing with peers. Using the magic words. So students, you have to use these words like if you have done any mistake, so you have to say I am sorry. If you need something and if you want some help, so you have to use please help me. If two persons are talking each other, then you have to say excuse me. If someone will give you something, then you have to say thank you. And if you want any kind of permission, just like if you want to enter in your class, then you took permission with teacher, no? Like may I come in? So in the same way, you have to use these kinds of words. Let's converse in English. So I request to parents, please ask these questions and ask your child to converse in English. Like how are you? You have to say I am good, thank you. If you need a water, you should say I'm thirsty, please give me water. And you can say please open and close my tiffin bottle, my pencil box, like this, my bag, If you need food, you can say, I am hungry, please give me food. And if you will complete your work and you will finish your food, then you should say, Mama, I have finished my work. Mama, I have finished my food. And if Mama will say to you, then Mama, you have to say, please switch off or switch on the light, fan, TV, etc. So revise the work done in book 1 and complete the work given in notebook. So students, whatever the work we had done in book 1, you have to revise it thoroughly and complete the notebook works also. Okay, and it should be in very neat and clean handwriting. Fine. Now the next page is, wow. Enjoy summer holidays with healthy DIY recipes to beat the scorching heat. So I request to parents, please help your child to prepare these recipes. So 2 recipes are there, 2 drinks, watermelon lemonade and mango and banana smoothie. So while preparing, you can click a photo of your work and paste it with your holiday homework. So please read it thoroughly and follow the same. Ingredients and how to prepare, all our things are mentioned over here. Fine. Now the next page, color the picture and paste the watermelon seeds. So what you have to do, first of all you have to color in with red and green color, as watermelon is red and green color. When your coloring is finished, then the small circles are there. You have to paste watermelon seeds over here. Okay, and make sure your coloring should be perfect. Okay. Now the next one, make a colorful hand, print butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly, flutter by. So what you have to do? So first of all you have to color this portion by crayons. Okay, and when you will fill this very neat and clean, after that you have to use your hand. You have to take watercolor, any kind of watercolor you can take, and dip your hand in watercolor and imprint on the given space. Fine, but make sure your butterfly will be looking very beautiful. Now the next one is the wise owl. Wow. So first of all, color me. So first of all students, you have to color it very neat and clean. Okay, make sure your coloring should not be go outside, it should be perfect. After that, paste pencil shaving and bring my feathers back. So here it is written paste pencil shaving. It has written here paste pencil shaving. So what you have to do, you have to sharp your pencil, and whatever the shaving you collected, you have to paste over here. Okay, in this portion only. Fine. Now the next one, coloring time. Joker. Wow. Make the joker happy while coloring it. So students, you have to do color the joker in a very good coloring. Okay. Now the next one, paper collage. So what you have to do here, you have to need 2 color paper like yellow and green has mentioned here. So you require green paper and yellow paper. So what you have to do, you have to tear small pieces of paper, and it has mentioned here green. This is green portion, so you have to paste the small pieces of green paper here, and when you will paste here, then you have to paste small paper of yellow color here in this portion. Okay, it has already mentioned yellow and green, so you have to paste accordingly. So parents, you have to download this holiday homework and take print out and ask your child to do some pages in this holiday homework, and some they have to do in scrapbook. Like this page they have to do in holiday homework, this one also, this is also, this one, this one. Now till here they have to do this page, these pages in holiday homework that you have to take the printout. Okay, and from here this activity they have to do in scrapbook. As is it mentioned over here, scrapbook activity, earbud painting. So what you have to do here, so parents, you have to draw a tree like this in scrapbook and give some watercolor to your child and earbud also. Okay, you can take different color of water and ask your child to start earbud painting like this. Okay, now on the next page, this is also you have to do in scrapbook and mention on the top hand printing activity. As here also you have to mention here earbud painting on the top. Okay, and what you have to do here, you have to color your watch hand with yellow watercolor. Okay, and ask your child to imprint on scrapbook. Fine, when they had imprint, then you can use marker for making leg and eyes and beak. Okay, the next one, yes, this is also a scrapbook activity you have to do in scrapbook only. Father's Day card making. So what you have to do, the steps also given here. First you have to cut out the hand shape of hand and write here thumbs up for the best dad, and you have to paste your hand like this and fold the fingers inward. Okay, and when it's completed you have to give to your father and click a photo also, and when you will click the photo, then you have to paste in scrapbook back. Father's Day craft. Let's take the time to say thanks dad, I'm glad you are mine. So students, as you know that Father's Day is coming soon on 21st June. So you have to give some gifts to your father also. So what you can do, you can take blue color clay, okay, as you can see here, and take green color clay also and make a earth, okay, like this, and write on the top with the paper and pen, best dad in the earth. So you have to prepare it and give it to your father, and while giving you have to click a photo, okay, and that photo you have to paste on your holiday homework. Postcard size photo should be there, and you can paste on colored A4 sheet, pastel sheet. Okay, so this is all about your holiday homework. Enjoy your summer holidays, students, and complete your all the works in a very neat and clean handwriting. Fine, thank you.